Hello viewers, welcome to another amazing video. Viewers, India and Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, who has a net worth of more than $85 billion, is a man with a big heart. If reports are to be believed, the Reliance Industries chairman gifted a 22-story building to his close aide, Manoj Modi, who was also referred to as his right hand, in Mumbai's posh location. A report by Magic Bricks said that the property, named Vrindavan, is located at Nepean Road near Malabar Hill in South Mumbai. According to Global Realty Analysis, the price of Modi's new Nepean Road property is estimated to be at Rs 1,500 crore. To design the luxury space, Modi appointed the architecture and interior design firm Talati and Partners LLP. It is believed that some of the furniture in the house has been imported from Italy. The first 7 floors of the multi-story building have been dedicated to car parking. The chemical engineering graduate shares the living space with his family and 2 daughters. Modi, who serves as the director, a Trillion Chayo and Reliance Retail, has a track record of executing complex projects with the big boss. Ambani has always trusted Modi with his business expansion. He and Ambani have been friends since their time studying together at Mumbai's University Department of Chemical Technology. The new building gifted to Modi, named Vrindavan, is a 22-story structure located on Mumbai's Nepean Road, which is also home to a few other billionaires. By the way, this year proved to be a memorable year in Modi's life. What's your views about this jackpot? Must share and comment. Thank you. For more such videos, please like and subscribe.